Oh, dry, crusty, matted hair. Oh, yep, the life of a natural. So, what am I gonna do? Oh, I got it. I know exactly what to do with this dry, crusty hair. So I'm gonna show you guys now the before. So, for this hair mask, I am going to be using the apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and the Aztec Indian Clay Mask. Now, you might ask, what is the benefits of using this for naturals? Well, you can actually have an opportunity to remove antifungal and any antibacterial properties. It helps scalp dryness, itchiness, and also dandruff. So if you're struggling with any of those things, this hair mask can help eliminate or prevent that from happening. It also has great properties that balance your hair and scalp pH level. It also promotes soft, shiny, and smooth hair. It tames rough hair cuticles and prevent or eliminate split ends altogether. Now, as I'm using here, I couldn't find any plastic spoon, so I'm using my boys' baby spoon, which they no longer use, of course. So I'm using their baby spoon because you don't want to use a metal spoon or a metal bowl to mix this hair mask because it can take away from the nutrients of the mixture. So you definitely want to use a plastic bowl, as you see here, as well as a plastic spoon. Now, one thing that you want to do, whether your hair is longer or if it's thicker or the density of your hair, you would know how much powder to use. So I'm just making it enough where it's going to coat my entire hair. And this mixture was just barely right enough to cover my entire hair. So as you see here, I like the mixture to kind of be thick, not too thick and not watery, more kind of like a yogurt consistency. So once I get that consistency, then I know it's time to go ahead and apply it to my hair. So this is the kind of thickness that you would want to see when you make this clay mask. Now, this is the application process. So one thing, and this is to note, guys, please remember to always detangle your hair before adding the mask. What you can do to detangle is add some oils or water. Water is always good. So you want to just definitely use a detangle your hair, I should say, before applying the mask to your hair. So I am parting my hair in 4 sections, as you see here. And each section, I'm going to spray my water. Again, you can use water and oil as a mixture while you apply that to your hair. I already had applied just oil to my hair previously, and I just spritzing the water, and I'm going to finger detangle. Because one thing about once you apply this mask, it's just like it gets hard. I don't want to say it's like cement, because cement is really hard. And this is obviously not like that, but it definitely gets hard. It's a mask. So you don't want to apply something that's going to harden your hair if it hasn't been detangled. That's just a recipe for disaster. So that's why I say it's very important, and please always remember to detangle your hair before applying the mask. So now I'm here applying the mask to my detangled hair. So I'm going to do that for each section, obviously, until my hair is completely coated in this mixture. Look at those curls just a poppin'. And as you see here, I'm using not too much for each section, but a generous amount. Just as long as you can coat your hair from root to end with this, that's all you need. You don't need to apply too much to each section, just enough. Where as you see here, it's kind of giving my hair that bounce. So if you add a little bit more, it's not a big deal, but you don't want to add too little. You want to add enough where it coats your entire hair from root to ends. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and of course that notification bell for all upcoming videos coming up for the rest of 2020 and starting for the 2021 year. I have a book list of ideas that I want to showcase on my video channel, or my YouTube channel I should say, for 2021. So definitely hit that notification bell for those up and coming videos as well. Now I did one side of my hair, and like I said, this gets really crunchy really fast. So you got to work fast, you know. But look at the difference. Look at the difference between the shrinkage between the hair on my right side compared to on my left with the Aztec mask applied. Shrinkage is real in the natural world, as you all probably have all experienced. So this is here. You see I've applied the complete mask to my hair. And like I say, guys, this was the second time that I've done this. I'm just going to do a little spin to show the entire head. But I've done this before and I've really enjoyed it. I just wanted to try it before recording it. When I did it the first time, I wanted to make sure that it worked for my hair before I showcased it, because everything that I showcase on my channel, guys, is stuff that I've have researched, is stuff that I have tried myself. I'm not trying to sell empty hopes or empty dreams, or unrealistic dreams, I should say. That's the word, unrealistic dreams. So everything that I've tried, everything I showcase on my channel, I've tried myself and see how it worked for me. And like I said, this may not work for your hair, but it works for mine. And this can be for any type of 4 type hair. Even if you're a 3 type hair, this can still work for you. Also too, if you're high porosity or low porosity, this will work really well for you as well. So here I'm actually adding my little Walmart bag to this. I'm just going to go ahead and just let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to hop in the shower, rinse it out, shampoo and condition it out. And I think, if I remember, because this was done like about a couple weeks ago, I think I did do, after I shampooed it, I did a deep conditioner. My favorite deep conditioner that I created myself. So and I'm going to add here my little turban turban, and just let it sit for 30 minutes. And then once it hit that time, I just went ahead and shampoo and conditioned my hair, and you will see the results in a few. Yep. And I really love how my hair reacts to this mask. I do this mask at least once a month, and I really like it. And here it is. Like I said, shrinkage is real, right? But look at how shiny my hair look. Look at that. It's so shiny. It's so bouncy. It just looks alive again compared to how it looked in the beginning, where it was dry and matted and crispy. Well, I hope you guys enjoy your holidays coming up. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and thank you all so much for watching. And again, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye.